What up, guys? We're eventually checking in. Nice to meet you. Today we're gonna go over 7 realistic side hustles that you can do to make yourself an additional $1,000 a month, guys. A lot of you guys have debt. A lot of you guys don't have an emergency fund. So if you do one of these 7 side hustles, that's additional $1,000 for you over the course of the year. That's 12 grand. 12 grand. So think about what you can do with 12 grand, how much debt you can pay off, how you can build your emergency fund, and get more into your hobbies. Stay tuned. Number 1, guys, we got Share Town. Write this one down. Look this app up, guys. Essentially, you're gonna be picking up furniture, couches, refrigerator, large items, guys, and you're gonna be reselling them on Facebook, Craigslist, things of that nature. Essentially, what Share Town wants you to do is just go be the ones to pick up the equipment, and then you're gonna resell it, and then you're gonna split the profits with Share Town. Easy as that. Because the problem is, a lot of people buy large items such as couches, beds, anything, mattresses, these type of things, and they want to return them, but obviously that costs a lot more money to send it back. So that's where you come in at. You go pick them up, hold the inventory, you resell it, you split the money with ShareTown. Simple as that. Check it out, ShareTown.
Number 2, we have flipping furniture. Guys, furniture is being thrown out on a daily basis, here and there, all across the world. If you just drive around, I swear for an hour, you will find some piece of furniture. Now that furniture may be damaged, it may not be any good, but you can find furniture either on the side of the road, thrifting. You can find furniture on Facebook Marketplace for free. They have Facebook groups where they're just giving away items. You just have to haul them away. Guys, you can take this furniture, you can turn around and flip it on Facebook Marketplace, Craigslist, etc. Utilize this, guys, because sofas go for anywhere between $500 to $8,000. I had a friend just recently. She had to abruptly leave. She had just purchased an $8,500 white Kim K style couch, the one that's plush and just it's like a cloud or whatever. She was willing to part with it for $1,500. Guys, you can meet somewhere in the middle and sell that for $5,000. Guys, that's in excess of $3,500 profit. That is just one example. There's thousands of others. Furniture flipping is an effective way to earn at least $1,000 extra every month.
At number 3, guys, we have trading cards. Flipping trading cards, guys. Anywhere from Pokemon cards, baseball cards, football cards, hockey cards, cards in general, guys. And just as simple, you want to look on Facebook groups, you want to look on certain marketplaces, go to certain trade events, and these things can easily be done on the side, especially a lot of you guys are passionate about sports. It's like stock, right? You collect as the athlete does better, then their value goes up for the trading cards. Just for example, like not too long ago, a Wayne Gretzky rookie card sold for $3 million, guys. $3 million, just sold $3 million, right? And then prior to that, let's say 3 years ago, that car was only worth about, let's say $500. So you almost more than double X your money, right? So trading cards, a nice, easy, simple side hustle you get into, flipping them, make yourself an additional $1,000 a month, guys. Trading cards, look into it.
Guys, this one's gonna sound absurd, but it's not. It's a very niche market and you should get into it as fast as possible. It's dryer duct cleaning. Now, dryer duct cleaning sounds like it is such a simple task, but many Americans do not take the time to do it. And what happens is this is a buildup of sediment, dust, whatever it may be, fluff, lint, all of these sorts of things that can cause fire. There are many fires started a year just from these things not being cleaned out. You can get all the supplies you need for $100 or less. And you can charge anywhere between $100 to $250 per duct cleaning. Guys, this is a crazy one. You've probably never heard of it, but it is very simple. It's easy to do, and you can earn extra cash.
And guys, this is one of those things where you're gonna get a lot of sales by selling the fear, right? Selling the fear of, hey, do you know your house could be at risk, and just by doing 10 houses a month, right? 10 clients a month, just charging $100, it only takes like 15 to 20 minutes to clean it if you got the proper equipment. That's $1,000 in your pocket right there. And who knows, this side hustle could potentially turn into a full-time gig for you guys, right? So dryer duct cleaning, look into it. At number 5, guys, we have bed bug treatment, guys. You could be a bed bug cleaner, right? Bed bug performer. Say that fast 3 times, right? Bed bug treatment, guys. You're gonna need a steam cleaner, which can range from anywhere from $50 to $150, right? And what you're gonna do, same thing. You're gonna sell the fear of bed bugs being infestation and crawling all in your house, your couches, the bed, carpeting, things of that nature. You're gonna come in, clean it up, get the bed bugs out of there. You can charge anywhere from $150 to $500 per treatment. Like I said, you're gonna need some steam cleaner, some bed bug spray, some bed bug adhesive, things of that nature, and eliminate the bed bugs. Same thing, you want to sell the fear of, do you know bed bugs are living among you right now? You're going to sell that fear, advertise your services, and make an additional $1,000 a month, right? Just by doing some bed bug treatment, spraying, using steamer, things of that nature, guys. Very simple, very easy.
Number 6, we have mattress and couch cleaning. You're just gonna need a steamer that can cost you anywhere from $100 to $250, $300 plus, depending on what and how heavy duty you want to go with. But just starting off, it can cost you anywhere from $100 to $250. And as you make more money over time, you upgrade. You keep investing in yourself. You keep investing in this side hustle till it becomes possibly a full-time job to where you can scale. But couch cleaning and mattress cleaning, you charge by the item. So you just charge whatever you think of, $150 to $200. You have to price gauge the market, compare your prices with companies such as Stanley Steamer, and see what they're charging, and bargain a competitive rate. And that's how you're gonna get your business.
And also, guys, this is one we can pair it up, right? Make the most of that steamer. And you can go ahead and do the bed bug treatment as well, right? So there you go, guys. So now you can make $1,000 doing the bed bug treatment, and then you can make another $1,000 right there doing the couches and things of that nature. So that's an additional $2,000 a month for you, which is $24,000 a year, right? If you pair it right? So think about it, guys. You gotta be innovative, guys. Sometimes the idea is not gonna always come knock on the door and give it to you, guys. You gotta be innovative, use your mind, and be savvy out here, especially if you're an entrepreneur, right? So let's go ahead and pair up the couch cleaning with the bed bug cleaning, and we're gonna put you in that range of $24,000 a year just off this side hustle.
And along with that, you're already in the home. You might as well duct clean as well. Why would you not do that? That's 3 things in one. You have a checklist. Do you need this done? Do you need this done? Do you need this done?
There you go.
And now you're $2,500 plus a month. So
there you go.
Put it all together, create a cohesive business just from 3 things.
There you go, guys. There you go. Expand, and then increase the customer value and things of that nature. Word gets around, and there you go. That's how you pay off debt, guys. That's how you pay off debt, right? That's how companies are built, just off things of that nature, right? Just by simply investing in yourself, purchasing a steamer, vacuum, etc. Going door to door, not being afraid to be told no. So think about it. Number 7, guys, junk removal. Junk removal, guys. Target the elderly with this one. There's apps out there, Junk Guru, Go Haul, a lot of apps. We got plenty of videos on these, guys. So junk removal, you can do this on the weekends, Saturday, Sunday, even starting from Friday, picking up trash, getting junk up out of there, hauling out old equipment, and back to like we talked about earlier. That old stuff, let's say an old microwave, an old refrigerator, an old stove, you fix it up, you get that thing running, put it on Facebook. So you just got paid to take it away, and now you're gonna get paid to sell it to someone, right? So let's go ahead, let's be innovative, guys. We're going into 2024, 2025, 2026, and beyond. We have to be innovative as entrepreneurs, as people in general, guys. We have to become more innovative to really increase our value in the marketplace. So by hook or by crook, let's get it done. Then eventually, 7 simple side hustles to make you an additional $1,000 a month. Think about it. The world's yours.
Like, comment, subscribe.